Now, I realise I left that video quite abruptly. It cut me off at 15 minutes. I'm sorry if I sounded harsh, but it's true. Why did you do this? Why did you change it when it told you that y was equal to 4? I don't understand. Anyways, we all learn our lessons, don't we? So that is the end. I just thought I couldn't leave it like that on the video. So what I intend to do, once you've seen these videos, is kind of give you kind of a breakdown of where you need to work on. I'll probably give you 3 or 4 things each that you need to work on from this test. Okay, that's my plan. Just based on kind of what marks you got on each question. Even if it's something silly like remembering to write your units, that's a thing that you must remember to do. But overall, I was actually very happy. I kind of had marks that ranged quite a bit. But these are, I hate the word they keep using, unprecedented. Ugh, I hate that word. I'm not going to use it then. These are weird times, strange times. And so I know that this isn't like a test you would do in school. And it won't be treated the same. So don't worry. It won't be treated like a test you do in school with like set movements and stuff like that. We won't be doing that. So don't worry. This is just an excuse, not an excuse. This is a chance for me to see how your revision went. Who gets what we've been doing over the last few months? Who's feeling strong about what we've been doing? And to put your revision that you've all worked so hard on, to the test. So, and for you to actually use it and get feedback on it in a way. There's going to be no dire consequences to this test at all, so please don't worry. I'm thinking about doing one for the non-calculator. If your hairs have just stood on end, please let me know. But I still think this would be a good thing for you to do. Just to see what you've remembered. I know I can't do graph stuff and things like that, but this test did take me ages to write, but if you thought it was useful in terms of feedback and things like that, of course I'll do it again for you. I think I'll stop rambling there, shall I? Yeah, I'll stop rambling there anyway. Okay. Any questions? As always, you know where I am. I seem to be glued to this little laptop. And I shall speak to you all soon. Bye.